Well, for me not to waste your time. Baby, where are you going precisely?
Well, we are heading to the supermarket to get something.
Oh, wow, that is nice. You see, for me not to, waste your time, as I just see you, as I'm looking at you from head to toe, you just, catapult my innermost cocodom from a sick house, baby, Well, let me just not waste your time. You look short. I'm in love with you. I am not here to use Fanta to just tell you how lovely and caring I have interest on you. But I am ready to just come to your father's house and do the right thing and have you all as a total.
Wait, if I'm not mistaken,
Yes?
you are a friend of that useless guy that stopped me the other day. Am I right?
Yes, but no. Not that I'm really a friend, but I'm just going with him just to help him, to settle some certain problems. That's just it.
Alright. I don't have any problem with that.
Alright.
Which tribe are you from?
My father said I'm from Igbo, and my mother also said that I'm from Igbo.
Your father said
Yes.
you're from Igbo?
Yes.
Which part of Igbo are you from?
My father said I'm from Igbo Uku. Baby. Why the laughing and laughing? Is there anything wrong with me?
Just wait, no, there's nothing wrong with you. But wait, your father say you are from Igbo.
Igbo Uku. Yes, Igbo Uku.
If I may ask, which part of Igbo is Igbo Uku?
That is what I don't ask my father. But I will go and ask him. I'll go and ask him.
Alright, it's fine. There is no problem with that.
Okay.
Just go back home. Ask your father, your tribe, number one, your village, your town, and also learn how to speak Igbo. You get what I'm saying? Then when you do that, just come back to me, okay?
Baby.
I'm from Igbo. My father said I'm from Igbo.
Baby.
I'm from Igbo.